If you are a pond owner that has a problem with unwanted leaves clogging your filter and creating a mess on the bottom of your water feature, or if you have predators poaching your prized fish collection, then the Aquascape Protective Pond Netting may be the perfect solution. The durable, woven nylon material prevents the net from tearing, allowing it to be reused year after year. The 3/4-inch mesh opening size ensures that even the smallest leaves can be captured and prevented from entering your pond. Each Aquascape Protective Pond net comes conveniently rolled, avoiding tangling and making installation easier than traditionally folded netting. The included weather-resistant plastic stakes allow the net to be secured in place with ease, providing an effective barrier from unwanted debris and predators. Aquascape Protective Pond Netting comes in 3 convenient sizes: 7 feet by 10 feet, 14 feet by 20 feet, and 28 feet by 30 feet, making it adaptable to almost any water feature. If you have a larger pond, several nets can be used together to cover the appropriate size space. You'll enjoy knowing that Aquascape Protective Pond Netting is backed by a 1-year limited warranty. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products and best value in the water feature industry.